Hi, I'm Natalie from Hobbybase, and this week on our What's New at Hobbybase HQ, we are looking at some new dies from Sweet Dixie, XCUT, and some funky stamps from Phill Martin. So let's take a look. First up then, we've got these really funky kind of fantasy dies from Sweet Dixie, which I'm really enjoying. There's a whole host of designs, from this large dragon to this beautiful unicorn head. I'm going to turn that around for you so you can actually see the die there. Look how intricate and gorgeous that really is. A really good size as well. So we've got the unicorn head, the large dragon, which is really detailed as well. We've also got the fantasy castle in this range. That's really cute. We've got the rainbow, so this comes with a few more dies here, so 8 pieces in this set, but you can see this real cute rainbow. It's got all the edging there as well, and some stars, thunder, clouds, sun. That's really nice. And then lastly, it's the mermaid, which I just love because mermaid is really big in at the moment, of course. When is it not? And this mermaid is a really big piece here. Lots of detail, really lovely, huge tail, some stuff to go in the water, lots of extra animals and whatnot. So there's a whole set, really, really cute. So that's the new Sweet Dixie kind of die range, kind of fantasy led. That's all new in. I really like that. Then we've got this new range of dies from XCUT. So these are less kind of festive-y, which we have been featuring a lot on the channel lately. But these, this one here is, these all include a free magnetic shim, and there's actually 4 dies within these. So you've got the outer layer, outer detail if you like, the frame, and then the internal detail as well. So this is really pretty. This heart, love hearts one here. Really, really nice, like that. Again, these all include a free magnetic shim. This one here is a massive sentiment, which I love, and it says love is always worth celebrating. It's all connected, so it's one huge piece there, but that's a real statement piece, and I like that a lot. Then we've got some kind of extra touches, if you like, little extras. For like a gardening scene. We've got lots of different plants and trees and shrubs, which is cool. Kind of fits in well with the rest of some of these die sets. This one is a great woodland design with the reindeer in. I really like that one. We've also got this cute kissing swans. Again, really super detailed with 2 dies, so you get the inner frame and the actual outer frame there too. We've got 2 doves, so that's quite a festive-y one. All one piece there, really pretty, and that could go as a frame in the middle or as a little hanging extra kind of element to your card. And then we've got this wonderful again, woodland animals, and I love how these designs are kind of all outlined here to look like they're 3D. I really, really like that. So yeah, that's all the latest dies from Crafts and XCUT. And then we've got some new stamps from Phill Martin. So we've got Magical Meadow, Secret Wonderland, Dragonfly Hideout, Enchanting Tulips, and A Gardener's Work. And if I flip these round, you can see the type of stamp they like. They're rubber stamp. They're quite decent. They are a decent size, not quite, they are a decent size. Very intricate, so they're quite long. And also, these are already mounted on a piece of rubber already. Or a piece of foam, sorry. So I don't know if you can see that. Which means a lot of stamps, these type of rubber stamps, you'd have to buy this little piece extra. But because this already comes with it, it means that this could go straight onto a stamping platform or stamping block. So, and not a lot of stamps do that. So that's a great reason to purchase the Phill Martin ones. So yeah, they're really lovely. It's great to see some, again, just some more edging, some border designs there that can be used in your projects. That's it for today, everybody. I hope you liked the products that we featured in today's What's New video. If you did, then you can shop the range via the links in the comments below. Do give us a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and you'll be kept up to date with all the videos as and when we publish them. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, subscribe, and we will see you again very soon. Take care, bye bye.